Hi guys, it's Charles, media buyer for Pearl Lemon, here with another quick video just to show you what we do at Pearl Lemon. And today we are in Google Ads, where we are basically just running a campaign, and we are fixing some discrepancies, location discrepancies. So this is where you're running a PPC ad campaign with Google Ads, and you've set all um, your conditions. You've done your targeting uh, for audience. You've done your segmentation. You've done everything. Your keywords, right? And then your target location as well. Then everything is running perfectly. Then all of a sudden, you start getting traffic that you didn't intend to get. So this comes with when you did your location, you set the location of wherever you want your ads to be showing, right? So you wanted them to show in South Africa, Cape Town only. And then you didn't exclude other countries. So that becomes a problem because now you're getting traffic that you're not supposed to get, and that is hitting on your budget. So which is a cost because the more people who are irrelevant to who actually are not going to help your campaign, the more they click on your ad, the more your cost, and the less better results you're going to get. So how do we fix this? So when you're in Google Ads, right, and by the way, this is an active campaign. So um, there's a live campaign. So I'm just gonna show you quickly what we do to fix that. So what you do is you hover to campaigns, right? You go on campaigns to your far left here, and then it'll show you here this this column, and then you just click on this bar and hover over to settings, right? When you do that, you just scroll down. You see there's so many options here. You scroll down to locations. All right. So for this campaign, um, okay, let me just we're running a campaign for a client in England. So they're seeing traffic from places like Uganda showing up from their site. So this is because we didn't exclude, right? We did not exclude these locations. So what you do is you come over here, it'll be like this, and then you come over here, you go on advanced search, right? And then what you need to do is you need to add bulk locations. So you have entries of up to 1,000. You can add as many countries, cities, whatever. It depends on what's your target area. So what you do is you simply go to Google, right? And go to Google, you type list of all countries in the world. You pick from whichever, right? Let's say you pick from here. Then what you just need to do is just to copy. You copy these countries, you just copy just put your mouse on the side here, and then you start going all the way down to Z, to Zimbabwe, my home country. Right? After that, you just copy, Control C, and then you paste it into a Google Docs. So I already pasted and sorted out all the some mistakes and stuff. So after you're done with that, you just, nicely, you know, copy all the countries. But remember, because you're running your ad in a particular country, say you're running your ad to show in UK or to show in the United Arab Emirates, which is Dubai as they call it. So you don't want to exclude the country that you're trying to show your ad to, right? So since, you know, this ad, so let me just copy whilst I'm explaining. Sorry. So since your ads are going um, to people in the UK, so you cannot exclude UK. You just have to totally remove it from the list. Okay? And these are your entries. So next thing you need to do is to just hold on. Uh, just see here. Just hold on, just hold on. Just hold on for me. Just hold on for me, guys. So Uganda, then exclude. Okay, then I'll add these. See if I can exclude again. Oh, okay. Uh, let's try that one time. Unless if I have to type it all in one by one, one by one, one by one. Let's see if it allows me if I. Okay, cool. So I think I can just do that. Then probably maybe I need to exclude Uganda. Okay, or then I do this. Okay. Then I go down to check if I included Uganda twice. Okay, Uganda. See. Okay, and then exclude meshed 119 out of limited reach. That's fine. I'll just exclude all. Exclude all. It's fine. It's fine. But you just need to check if your if Uganda, yeah. Then you save. There you go. Done. But you're not done because you need to also save here as well. Done. There you go. So we'll take our chances with the 195, hoping that no other country will show our ads to anyone else, well, in our location. So yeah, and with the location, there's so many factors that affect which I'll do a video of. But that's all for today. Thank you guys. Cheers.